Most people ask AI random money questions. Today, we'll turn it into a practical system for subscriptions without pretending AI can guarantee financial results. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not giving financial, investment, tax, or legal advice. AI tools can help you think, but they cannot guarantee profits or predict the future. Always do your own research and consult professionals before making financial decisions. Thank you. If you've ever checked your bank statement and spotted a charge you barely remembered signing up for, you're not alone. Subscription spending has become part of everyday life. Streaming services, cloud storage, software tools, gaming memberships, fitness apps, and premium subscriptions can quietly pile up in the background. Now let's talk about the problem. Most subscriptions don't feel expensive on their own. $10 here, $15 there, maybe $20 for a software tool you signed up for months ago. The challenge is that these small payments often happen automatically. Because they're spread across different dates and accounts, it's easy to lose track of the total. Many people focus on large purchases while ignoring recurring expenses. But recurring expenses are often where small leaks in a budget occur. The goal of this exercise isn't to become extremely frugal or cancel everything. The goal is to make sure every subscription is providing enough value to justify its cost. This is where AI can be useful. The first step is gathering your subscriptions. Open your banking app, credit card statement, budgeting app, or account history. Make a list of every recurring charge you can find. Let's use a simple example. Netflix, $15 per month. Spotify, $12 per month. Gym membership, $40 per month. Cloud storage, $10 per month. Language learning app, $15 per month. Software subscription, $20 per month. At this point, most people already learn something. Seeing everything in one place often reveals subscriptions they forgot about. Now open your preferred AI tool. Use a prompt like this. Analyze the following subscriptions. Categorize each as keep, review, negotiate, or cancel. Ask me questions if usage information is missing. Consider frequency of use, overlapping services, alternatives, and potential savings opportunities. Then paste your subscription list. A good AI response should not immediately recommend canceling services. Instead, it should ask follow-up questions. How often do you use each subscription? Does it help with work or school? Do family members use it? Does it replace another expense? Could a cheaper plan meet your needs? The more context you provide, the more useful the analysis becomes. After answering those questions, ask AI to create a simple decision table. For example, keep, review, negotiate, cancel, estimated monthly savings, estimated annual savings. This turns a random list of subscriptions into a structured decision-making process. Now let's imagine the AI gives us an example output. Keep Spotify. Review Netflix. Negotiate gym membership. Cancel language learning app. Potential savings $30 per month. At first glance, that seems useful. But here's where many people go wrong. They assume the AI is correct. Instead, treat every recommendation as a starting point for investigation. If AI places Netflix in the review category, think about your actual viewing habits. Are you watching every week? Are you sharing it with family members? Could you subscribe only during months when you're actively using it? If AI suggests negotiating your gym membership, don't assume savings are guaranteed. Contact the gym and ask. Some gyms offer annual plans, retention discounts, student pricing, or temporary membership freezes. If AI recommends canceling a language learning app, ask yourself whether the subscription supports a goal that's genuinely important to you. Maybe you haven't used it much recently, but you're planning to restart your studies next month. AI can analyze data. Only you can decide what matters. A useful rule to remember is this. AI suggests, humans decide. Before canceling, keeping, or negotiating any subscription, run through a simple checklist. Did I use this service within the last 30 days? Would losing access create a significant inconvenience? Does this subscription support work, education, health, or income generation? Do I already pay for another service that does something similar? Could I downgrade instead of canceling? Have I checked whether discounts are available? Am I paying for this because I value it or because I've simply forgotten it's there? These questions are often more important than the AI's recommendation itself. Sometimes the correct decision is to keep a subscription that AI flags for cancellation. Other times, AI helps identify expenses you've completely overlooked. The best results happen when AI and human judgment work together. Now let's turn this into an action plan you can copy today. Step 1, make a complete list of subscriptions. Step 2, write down the monthly cost of each one. Step 3, estimate how often you actually use every service. Step 4, ask AI to categorize them as keep, review, negotiate, or cancel. Step 5, verify every recommendation manually. Step 6, take action on at least one subscription today. Maybe that means canceling a service you never use. Maybe it means downgrading to a cheaper plan. Maybe it means contacting a company and asking whether they offer discounts. The goal isn't perfection, the goal is awareness. Even if you save only $20 or $30 per month, that's money you can redirect toward savings, debt repayment, investing, or other priorities. And if you discover that all your subscriptions genuinely provide value, that's useful information too. At least you'll know your spending is intentional rather than automatic. Now I'd like to hear from you. What's one subscription you're currently questioning? Leave it in the comments and tell us whether you think it belongs in the keep, review, negotiate, or cancel category. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. AI disclosure. This video was created with the assistance of AI tools. Some or all of the following may be AI-generated or AI-assisted. Script, voice, visuals, images, and editing elements. All content has been reviewed and edited by a human before publishing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next part of this series. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.